Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and this is my automatic card shuffler from Nileole. If you love playing card games in your household, you need this shuffler because it does such an amazing job of shuffling your cards. When we're playing card games in my home and we didn't have this product, my husband would always blame me that he lost because I didn't know how to shuffle. But that conversation is a thing of the past. We don't have to worry about getting in fights about my shuffling anymore because this product does such an amazing job of shuffling cards. I also like that it's a high quality product. It's not only able to shuffle one deck, but it can shuffle two decks at the same time. It's really easy to use, and I like that it doesn't take up much space on our table while we're playing games. Another benefit of having this product is that you don't have to worry about your hands hurting after playing games for hours on end. Since you aren't constantly shuffling, this product does it all for you. So if you're looking to add an automatic card shuffler to your game collection, definitely get this one from Nileole. That's my point of view.